Welcome back to TechExpress, guys. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get started with the actual eBay.com and how would you like to get started in doing some print on demand using eBay. So print on demand allows you to create and sell custom products without holding any inventory. That's why it's really important and really popular. So to get started here, what you want to do first of all is to set up an eBay seller account. First, you're going to do is to go here into eBay.com, go into the upper side and go for sell. Into sell, what you want to do is to create an actual new element, new listing, in order to have access to the seller heft. If you go into the upper side, you want to go here into selling elements. You might be seeing that you don't have really anything in here, but you want to make sure that you have now access to your overview seller dashboard. Once you have access to that dashboard, what you want to do is to integrate a print on demand application that can be helping you to get started there. So for that, what you want to do is to using, in this case, I'm going to go and start with Printful. Now, Printful is an amazing place where you can link stuff to, you can select whatever product you want to, and use it, of course, to add it directly into your store. You can, of course, use one design and add it directly into your store. So once you have an account created, what you want to do, of course, is to link, first of all, and create one product. If I choose one product I would like to add, for example, here it is. What I wanted to do is to, of course, create a product template. So if I go here for create product template, it's going to be asking me to, of course, add one design. So I go here for upload and drag my design. Make sure that when you upload a design, this one has no background, so make sure it actually looks great there. So once you have this design already been added, what you want to do is to make sure that you can check out how it actually looked for your mockups. So if I click into the mockups, check out how it actually looks my design into the product of the print on demand. So it doesn't look that bad. It looks really interesting, right? So if you're okay with it, let's go here and save the templates. Now that I have created my very first product inside Printful, I want to add this product directly into my store in order to sell it. So to sell it, let's go here into the left pod and locate the element that says stores. Inside stores, what I wanted to do is to connect my eBay account. I'm going to scroll all the way down and look out for choose platform. Here into choose platform, I wanted to go and scroll once again and look out for eBay. Here you're going to go for connect. Make sure that you already have an eBay account created. So let's go and scroll a little bit down and go for connect to eBay to authorize the account access. So in here, it's going to be asking us to sign in. I'm going to sign in real quick and review and grant the application access in Printful. So I hit into agree and continue. And I should be now having access directly from my eBay store directly here into Printful. As you can see, it says connected to your actual account. So make sure this one is exactly the same seller appears here into your dashboard. So if I go here into my account, I should see that here should be appearing the code that I do have here. So with that being said, I can now go back here into Printful, go and focus into my product template, the product I've just created, and I'm going to try to add this directly into my store. So if I go and select this that says add to store, it says add product to your store. Now it's going to be showing you the product, the colors which you like to add, the sizes. I'm going to select all of them, and I proceed to the mockups, how it actually should be looking. I'm going to go for basic mockups, and I'm going to look for something that is kind of catchy. For example, let's say that I go here and look out for orange. So it actually looks really great, right? If you want to select something different, you can do it. So just make sure you actually choose one that is going to be really interested for everybody. I'm going to hit now into continue, and you can change the product title, the language description, the size guide, the tags, the product visibility, and the product collections. In this case, I'm going to go for the home page and go for continue. Now, before you do this process, you want to make sure that you are connected with the actual store. Into the upper side, I'm going to follow all the prompts, all the steps in order to make sure that I have, of course, to make sure that everything works correctly. Now here, as you can see, we now have adding my first product. Then before you add your product, it's going to be really asking you how would you like to get started with the retail price. For example, let's say that here what I wanted to do is to make sure that each time I'm going to go here for decrease the price by, and this is the amount of money that I'm going to be receiving for each sale. It's going to be really important to try to go as low as possible since we're just getting started to sell stuff, but that is totally up to you. Now in this case, we are only able to stock burn quantity 0 out of 15. So of course this is totally for free, but you wanted to make sure that you're able to do this process. Now let's go here and focus into submit to the store. If you want to have more access though, what I can suggest you is to try to add list. In this case, I'm going to go for submit right now, and you can see that my product should now be added automatically directly into eBay. The last thing you want to do is to make sure that your product has now been added directly into your store of eBay. So let's go back here into my eBay, go into my eBay section and go for selling. Make sure that your product is appealing in here and all the stuff are constantly active inside your eBay account. So guys, that's a wrap up of how we can actually sell directly print-on-demand products here into eBay. For more e-commerce insight and tutorials, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. Thank you so much for watching these Tech Express videos, your part in digital entrepreneurship. See you next time.